Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal Christmas trees. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need a pack of these icy gems. You'll need a pack of these pendants. These are crystal pendants. They're called Angel's Tears pendants. And you're going to need a pack of this glitter foam. I picked these three items up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. So from Dollar Tree, what you're going to need is you're going to need a pack of these little Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2, so you'll just need 1 pack. And you'll need one of these styrofoam cones. And you can either find these at Dollar Tree in this small size, or you can sometimes find these at Walmart as well. You'll need either some Mod Podge or some tacky glue. The tacky glue is from Walmart. And from Walmart I picked up some of these peel and stick gemstones. But you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make these little Christmas trees permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will work to make the projects permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete the project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys. Now, didn't these Christmas trees turn out absolutely beautiful? And they were so easy to make. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Do you prefer the icy Christmas tree, or do you prefer the crystal gemstone tree? Just let me know in the comment section below. I love them both. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. There you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give these easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.